Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can disable automatic updates on Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, let me tell you that there is actually no direct way how you can do this, no feature or built-in feature in Microsoft Edge that will allow Microsoft Edge users to turn off these automatic downloads entirely. But you can do this partially and manually. This is how you can do it to fix this issue, guys. So what you will need to do on Edge is click into these three dots here on Edge, select Settings, and inside your browser settings navigate to About Microsoft Edge at the bottom of the left panel. Here you will see these two options here, the currently used or updated version of your Edge web browser. And whenever you start Microsoft Edge, Edge starts automatically, or if you enter that menu here for the first time after launching Edge, you will see Edge looking for newer versions or updates to download these if needed. You can, for example, disable that feature, download updates, but only for specific devices and connections, as you can see. So it works only partially. However, guys, there's also option number 2. You may navigate to your device's task manager for that by right-clicking into the taskbar at the bottom and select task manager from that menu. Of course, it will be in your language or your device's interface language or operating systems. And in your task manager, navigate to processes and close any process that is related to Microsoft Edge, specifically a process called Microsoft Edge installer or downloader. If you don't see these, if you see these processes, right click into them and simply click into end process and repeat that for any other Microsoft Edge related process, as previously mentioned, especially those that contain words like downloader or installer. That is going to block the installation or downloading of the update, automatic update. That's it, guys. That's the only solutions I have tried, and that seems to work in 2026 on Edge. Hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.